Hi, I'm Alex with Vista Manufacturing, and today we'll be taking a closer look at the Bluetooth controllers that can be controlled with the Vista Connect app. If you'd like to learn more about the Vista Connect app, you can check out our other video on that. The first controller we have here is called the Bluetooth with Switch feature. There are 3 input wires which allow for the use of a 2-way rocker switch. Vista does offer a rocker switch, or you may use your own. The switch allows you to cycle forward or backward through the color sequences, or increase and decrease brightness by pressing and holding up or down. In addition to the switch, Vista also offers a mating switch plate, which has a glossy or matte finish. And for mounting, there are 2 screw holes molded into either side of the housing. The second controller is the Bluetooth Mini module. Unlike the Bluetooth with Switch, this module does not have a switch input, but its slim, compact design allows for it to be mounted in applications with limited space. For mounting, this module comes with mechanical fasteners, or you can simply use the 3M adhesive on the back side. The last controller in Vista's Bluetooth product line is the Bluetooth on Flexi tape. This is a unique, patent-pending design with the Bluetooth controller seamlessly integrated into the light strip. This allows for easy installation with only 2 wires needed for input. The product is available in custom lengths up to 8.3 meters, and it can be mounted using the 3M adhesive on the back side. If you'd like to learn more about Vista's Bluetooth product line or have any questions, please feel free to contact your Vista National Sales Manager. Thanks for watching.